My name is Apostle Edso Melkia from Mozambique, Tete, in the Acceptable Worship Ministries. We call it Adoração Aceitável. It's a pleasure and a very great pleasure to be the son of the Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. From the first time I met him till now, it has imparted in my life a great change as a man of God in the ministry, in the work. Right now, we are seeing the influence, the grace from our Father, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. We see it in our ministries, in the testimony, in the manifestations, in the children of God. Everything, actually. I try my best to be connected, and we are seeing the evidences. It's out of this world. Especially in the area where we are in Tete, we are seeing what we've never seen in any part of the country, but just because of being part of this grace of our Father, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. Personally, I receive even the character great changes, and we are hoping more. That's why we are here to thank God for such a grace we have received from our Father, and to thank for His life, for it's a great blessing. And I want to wish him, my father, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, a happy birthday. But I want to say it in Portuguese. Quero parabenizar a ele. Feliz aniversário e longos anos de vida, e a continuar a ser pai tão influente para mim e para a congregação. Em nome de Jesus, muito obrigado. Happy birthday, feliz aniversário em nome de Jesus.